Volumizing shampoo that leaves hair looking smooth and shiny. Volumizing conditioner that gentle nourishes to reveal air-light manageability. Hair mask shot. Dry hair moisturizing treatment noticeably repairs extreme damage in one use. Color-safe formula that's safe for chemically treated hair. Pantene Nutrient blends hair volume multiplier shampoo and conditioner with bamboo plus intense rescue shots help limp hair feel lush and voluminous. Great for dry, damaged hair, this collection leaves hair looking full and shiny. Enjoy the breezy energizing fragrance of the nutrient-infused silicone-free shampoo and conditioner with a blend of pro-vitamin B5, antioxidants and bamboo. Pantene Hair Volume Multiplier with Bamboo Silicone-Free Shampoo, 9.6 ounces. This volumizing shampoo has a breezy energizing fragrance and airy lather that removes dirt and oil, returning body and fullness to hair. Pantene Hair Volume Multiplier with Bamboo Silicone-Free Conditioner, 8.0 ounces. Get bountiful volume for vibrant body with this conditioner. After use, enjoy a light as air finish. Pantene Intense Rescue Shots Hair Ampoule Treatment Mask, 0.5 ounces. Discover the nourishing power of our intensive and most concentrated Pantene Pro-V formula. Intense Rescue Shots help to deeply repair signs of hair damage, transforming even the most damaged and dry hair into Pantene hair. Visibly healthier, shinier and stronger. Strength against damage versus non-conditioning shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Best shampoo conditioner. Makes my hair feel great. The scent is fantastic, my husband loves it. My beautician as it does wonders for my hair, especially after the job.